Today I'm going to show you guys how to wire up a trailer. There's already lights on my trailer, but the wiring's all messed up. I went and bought me this new kit. I got all my tools out. You know, just a regular old impact driver and a deal so I can use my 10mm and, you know, some snips, some wire ties or zip ties to tie up some wire. I'm just going to, you know, take this off. All the old stuff, I'll keep these up. That way, if something happens to anything I have backups. Quit, pups. I got light over here that I'm going to be taking off and replacing with new. And then I'm going to run the wiring all the way up to the front. As of now, I don't have anything. I've been rocking this trailer for, you know, the past year without lights. But since it's this, you can see my lights through the mesh of the trailer there. But I bought this trailer about a year and a few months, maybe a year and a half ago for $800. So, and then in my last video, I don't know if you've seen, I put these Charger wheels on there, spice things up a bit. I mean, I was having flat tire issues and it's hard to find 5x5 wheels. The only thing that came on was old school Chevys, so now I can put Jeep wheels, Charger wheels. But anyway, go check that video out if you want to see that. I'm showing how to, you know, we're going to go ahead and put these lights in. Alright, first thing I'm going to do here, take my DeWalt. I got an 11 on here because that looks about what they used to be. And we'll kick those off. And then that guy should just pull right out of there. And that's what he does. I'm going to undo all this, and then I'm going to take the new one. I'm going to put it over here. I'll put it in and then just tighten down the bolts like I just did taking these off. Alright, here's where we are so far. I took off this side and then I ran the wire. You can see it there. It goes all the way through there for this side. And it comes out right there. I think I may have to extend it a little bit, which I got some extra over there. I also did the yellow and brown. That side's green and brown. This side's yellow and brown. Driver's side, yellow and brown. Ran it back right under here. It goes out underneath. And then it fell out of where I had it, but it comes, oh no, maybe not. I'll have it right here zip tied or something so it'd hang out right here for the light. I haven't taken this one off, but I shall. Dang bolt stuck in there. Alright, there's that one. These lights that I'm taking off are actually LED lights, so I'm definitely keeping them. I'll use them for a different project or something. There's that. The ones I'm putting on are not LEDs, but I ran each cord on each side so I can do these little side markers. I'm going to hook up the new ones, get them all wired, and I'll show you where we are. Alright, here's what we got. I put on this light over here. We got brown and green. I put brown and green through. It's just hanging out. I'm going to wire these up. It gave me little wire nuts to put on them. I might, you know, do some tape or something. Something a little bit more secure. I got it ran up underneath the frame all the way up like I showed you. I'm going to finish both these sides. Then I'm going to come up here. And I'm going to drill a hole somewhere right here and put that yellow side marker in. And then I got my wire up underneath there that I can connect it to. The side marker connects this side green, other side yellow. And then I believe they flash when I have my turning signal on. I'm going to get to it and then we'll see where we're at. This size was a little 10mm. But maybe all kits come different. I don't know. Other side is taken off, ready for the light. Maybe I don't know already. Alright. Got a goat and a pig over there. Little baby buck out there. He wants out. And old Maple, the pig. Here's what we got so far. I got it hooked up, wires ran, taped together, zip tied underneath, comes up. I put the side marker on over here, that's wired up. I just did it with one of these dealies, like the wire slides in there, one wire in there, shut it, and that's that. So I got that, I don't know if you can see it, right there, zip tied all up, and then both of them leading out to here. I'm gonna probably cut these, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna cut these and then wire it up to where it extends a little bit past here. That way I can hook to my truck and leave it off to the side when I'm not using it. Here's all the old wire. I still need to get rid of all this. Here's the other side. Side marker there. All wired up. I mean, zip tied in there. It's pretty self-explanatory here. You know, yellow hooks with yellow, brown with brown. All the way up. There's my side marker. That hooks to the yellow. Then up here, I got some. The kit didn't come with it. I mean, you could use your old wire if you got old wire. I could use that, but I'm not gonna. I have some wire that I have sitting out here. This stuff here that I had from old jobs. So I'm gonna use this to extend it to. Oh, the plug's up there. Never mind. I'm going to cut it and then wire those all together. But I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. I mean, this is about what it's going to look like anyway, besides... Alright, here it all is hooked up. I got my hazards on so you can see what's going on. My side marker I put in. Looks pretty good. Sitting there blinking. Everything's blinking on this side. We come around over here. Everything's blinking on that side. At first I plugged it in, one was blinking and one wasn't, didn't know what was going on. I just unplugged my connector here and just made sure it was in there good. But there you have it. Hope this video helps you guys out.